Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and unplugging the printer to protect circuitry and yourself. Once done, open the access cover and locate the broken cartridge and any retaining clips. You'll want gloves and a flashlight ready so you can see shards or leaking ink. A lint-free cloth prevents smudges. Make sure to release the latch or press the release tab gently. Don't force it, because forcing can damage the carriage. Now position the carriage to the center for straight access and proceed carefully. You now stabilize the carriage to prevent it from snapping back. One hand holds the assembly while the other works. Next, use needle nose pliers to grasp any protruding plastic fragments and pull straight outward. This minimizes damage to the slot. If the cartridge is jammed, depress the mechanical latch fully before extracting. Once removed, wipe surrounding surfaces and contacts with a lint-free cloth dampened slightly with distilled water or isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to avoid rubbing electrical contacts aggressively. You finish by installing the new cartridge, aligning it to the guides and pressing until you hear a click. This ensures proper contact. Once done, plug in power, run the printer's nozzle check and alignment cycle, and inspect a test page for streaks or missing colors. If the printer reports an error or prints poorly, make sure the contacts are clean and the cartridge is seated correctly. If problems persist, power cycle or perform a factory reset per the manual. One key tip: receipt before replacing parts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.